So, hi everybody. How are you today? I'm here with my I Love Earth hat. Now, I'm going to post the link for you guys and send it in your Google Classroom so you can make your own. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I'd like to sing a little song. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recycle, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. It's easy to do, 'cause your trash and my trash make up way too much trash. Reduce, reuse, recycle. It's easy to do. Now watch me make this little hat. Have fun, everybody. Bye. That was a cute little song talking about reducing, reusing, and recycling. And I thought we'd make a paper hat